France, like other colonial powers, exploited resources from various countries during its colonial era. The specific resources extracted varied depending on the region and time period. Here are some examples of resources that France obtained from the countries it exploited. 1. Natural resources. Rubber. France exploited rubber plantations in countries like Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia. Minerals. France extracted valuable minerals such as gold, copper, tin, and uranium from colonies like French West Africa, French Equatorial Africa, and Madagascar. Diamonds. France benefited from diamond mines in French Guinea and French West Africa. Oil. France gained access to oil reserves in its former colonies like Algeria and Gabon. 2. Agricultural products. Cash crops. France encouraged the cultivation of cash crops in colonies such as coffee, cocoa, sugar, cotton, and tobacco, which were exported for economic gain. Plantations. In countries like Vietnam, France established vast plantations for crops like rubber, tea, and coffee. 1. Exploitative economic systems. France implemented economic policies that prioritized extracting resources and wealth from colonies to benefit the French economy. This often resulted in unequal trade relationships and limited opportunities for local economic growth. 2. Forced labor and exploitation. France relied on forced labor systems such as indentured labor and corvée labor in colonies like Indochina and Madagascar. These practices exploited local populations and hindered their economic development. 3. Disruption of local industries. In some cases, French policies undermined local industries to favor the importation of French goods. This weakened local economies and led to dependence on French products. 4. Limited industrial development. France typically discouraged industrialization in its colonies, reserving manufacturing and processing activities for the French mainland. This limited the development of local industries and hindered economic diversification. It is important to note that the economic consequences of French colonialism were complex and influenced by various factors, including the specific historical context, the duration of colonial rule, and the specific policies implemented in each colony. 2. Scientific research. The Titan submarine supports scientific endeavors by providing a platform for conducting research in diverse fields such as marine biology, geology, oceanography, and climate science. Its advanced instrumentation, imaging systems, and sampling tools enable scientists to collect data, study underwater phenomena, and gain insights into various aspects of the marine environment. 4. Rescue and recovery operations. The Titan submarine is designed to support submarine rescue and recovery operations. In the event of a submarine accident or emergency, it can rapidly reach the affected area and provide assistance in evacuating stranded crew members, providing life support, and salvaging or repairing damaged submarine. 6. Support for underwater research stations. The Titan submarine assists in the resupply and support of underwater research stations or habitats. It can transport personnel, equipment, and supplies to and from these stations, enabling scientists and researchers to conduct long-term studies and experiments in remote underwater environments. 2. Catastrophic equipment failure. A critical failure of essential systems such as propulsion, navigation, or life support could compromise the submarine's ability to operate effectively. If these failures occur in a critical situation or in a remote location, they could lead to the submarine sinking. 4. Severe weather conditions. Extreme weather events such as hurricanes, typhoons, or severe storms can generate massive waves and turbulent sea conditions. If the Titan submarine is caught in such conditions and unable to withstand the forces, it could be overwhelmed and sink.